guys, Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my weekend haul. I'm so happy that it's starting to really warm up. Like, I had this sweater and I was just sweating my ass off. Like, are you serious? Y'all know my days are numbered. Like, I feel like I'm probably gonna be hitting menopause pretty soon. I mean, probably in the next couple of years, since your girl's almost 50. I think my mom hit menopause when she was in her late 40s. In the comments, my girlies, how old were you when you hit menopause? But listen, weekend Walmart haul. I did go to Sprouts, so I have, how many deals I did at Sprouts? 1, 2, 3. 3 deals I did at Sprouts. For my weekend, I need 15 offers for 5. I was really hoping that I would hit that. If I can hit that this weekend, I'll try. But as of now, I think I still need like 4 or 5 offers in order to hit that. But in the comments, what did you guys get? Of course, I have a larger bonus. I can't think of the name of it right now, but I'll pop it up. For that, I need 50 offers for 10. I have not been hitting those big bonuses, y'all. Like, the deals ain't been dealing lately. I headed out so late today, y'all. It's like after 1, and I be getting anxiety when I be in these stores around a bunch of people. I don't like it. I'm not even gonna lie. I can't stand it. That's why I go to the gym so early, because I can count on 2 hands how many people will be there. And so, yeah, so I headed out late today, so I'm hoping I can get this video edited for you guys and get it posted. But other than that, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. We're gonna bust a Yui and head to Sprouts and see what they got going on over there. So if you want to teach your girl, if you want to see what your girl got, did I say subscribe? Did I say subscribe? Hello, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, Shay with the guns. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. Without further ado, again, we're gonna head to Walmart, see what kind of deals they got going over there. Bust a Yui, hit Sprouts up and see what they got going on. If you want to see what your girl got to do, keep on watching. All right, so this first deal is on the Proper Good. Now they have the Proper Good pasta. They also have the soup as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of each, priced at $5.48. Now I was thinking of getting this one. It's priced at $4.98. So if I got one of these and then one of the soups at $5.48, the offers, you would usually get the lesser value one for free. So it end up being $1.50 moneymaker. But if you grab 2 at $5.48, then you'll end up paying $10.96, getting back $5.48 through aisles and $5.48 through a rebate. I'll have a link in the Google Doc, and $1 for each one I bought. I'm making it a $2 moneymaker. I think I want to grab this one because these don't really look that great. I'm more inclined to try this one. So yeah. I'm also going to be grabbing the Kinder bar as well. It's priced at $1.48, getting back $1.69 on Ibotta. We'll make this a 21-cent moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Kinder Light. It's the electrolyte solution. I've done this, I think I did this once already. It popped up on Ibotta, so they're on rollback for $3.98. The limit on Swagbucks is a limit of 2, so we can grab 4, which is what I'm probably going to go ahead and just do. And so 4 of them is going to cost $15.92. We'll get back 1,190 points on my points, which is 743 times 2. Plus we'll get back $1 for each one I bought. Would make this a $2.94 moneymaker. And so yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so I'm grabbing the Dairy Pure again. It's so funny. Ibotta finally fixed it, and now it actually says free after offer. They don't have the one that I want, which is the original flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab the vanilla, price at $5.72. Getting back $5.99 on Ibotta would make that a small moneymaker. All right, next up is the Palmolive, priced at $2.82. We're gonna grab a total of 2 of them. You went into paying $5.64, getting back $3 for 2 on Swagbucks, 75 cents on Ibotta, making them only 74 cents each. All right. So they finally restocked on the Febreze fabric to go.
It's priced at $197. I'm gonna be getting back $230 on Ibotta. Let me see. I didn't think they was gonna have it, so I didn't even do it. The breakdown for it. I think it's like a 30 cent, 33 cent moneymaker. All right. Um, which is not bad. Now it's also available for Walmart rewards as well. With Walmart rewards, basically look, you put the item in, there it is. I'm gonna click on it, and then you want to activate the offer on here. I always activate it right before I come. There it is. And then if you want to make sure it's still on your list, I believe you click account. Okay, Walmart's, cash. I would always say check to make sure it's on your list before you check out to make sure it's still there. So there it is right there. And then when you pay for this, you want to either pay using Walmart rewards by scanning the QR code on the register, or are you going to pay with a card linked to your Walmart app? And so, yeah, really quick, the other thing that you need to know about Walmart rewards is you can do both Walmart rewards and Ibotta on the same receipt. It has to be either one or the other. If you have the offer activated and you're using, let's say you're paying with Walmart Pay, or you're using the card that's linked to your Walmart app, by default, you're going to get the Walmart offer. So if you're trying to hit a bonus, again, I wouldn't activate the offer on Walmart rewards until you know you're going to go do it. Okay, really quick. And then as soon as you pay, you get the alert, which is right here, saying that I got my Walmart cash. And I pay usually, more often than not, I use the QR code. I feel like it's faster than just using the card that's linked to my Walmart account. And so yeah, so other than that, I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. So we're over here at Sprouts. I'm trying I'm not trying. I'm doing this pretty tasty deal again. I feel bad though, because I haven't even tried them yet to see if there's a flavor that I prefer. Because let's just face it, I could not prefer any of them. But we're gonna grab them because they're free. All right, they're priced at 2 for $7. We're gonna grab 4 of them. I do have another offer that they emailed me another not email me, but they sent me another offer for these. It's buy 4, get 4 free. And so we're gonna end up paying $14 and we're gonna get that back through aisles, making it absolutely free. Now you might still have offers on Social Nature. I've done on mine already. All right. So I was looking for the Blake's like bars. I don't see them though. They would be over here, right? Right. It's these Go mackerels are so freaking good. I don't see the Blakes though. I have an offer for Social Nature for a free box, but I can't find them here. And I only have it at Sprouts. But when I was looking through the Sprouts app, they have the Quantum Energy Squares for free. They're priced at $2.49, so you'll clip the digital in the app. Type in your phone number at checkout and it'll make it absolutely free. All right, next up is the Sunkiss organic Cara oranges. I checked the app. It didn't show they had them, but they do have them in store. They're priced at $5.99, getting that back through Social Nature, making this absolutely free. Why am I so excited about this though? For real. All right, the last thing I'm gonna grab is the I did mention this in one of my last videos, but I got the wrong one. I got the one I wanted, not the one that was, qualifiable. And so for this, it's a Social Nature offer, and you can only grab the mango passion fruit, which they don't have any of, or you can grab the ruby red grapefruit right here. At $2.99, you'll get that back through Social Nature, making this absolutely free. All right, guys. So here is my little haul for today. I'm not mad at it though. Like seriously, all of this is food except the Febreze. So my sales tax was only like 34 cents, which is cool. I'm excited to try this milk. I almost never ever get flavored milk, but I figured I could use that for protein shakes. And yeah. So hopefully it'll reset for me a couple more times. I think I'm gonna freeze it though, actually, now that I think about it, because I already have 2. And I might have even finished with the first one that I got. And so yeah, but this worked out pretty good. The receipt for my points for the Kinder Light, that one went straight through. The Pretty Tasty on aisles, that went through for the $14. I think the receipt for the Proper Good for aisles, that one, I gotta submit the receipt again because I didn't get a response.
but the receipt for the other one, that one did go through. What else was there? Social Nature for the oranges and the I'm waiting for that to process as well. And Ibotta, that one went through. Did it go through already? I'm not sure. And so other than that, y'all, everything here worked out pretty good, Of course we could have gotten more, but you know what? I'm cool with what we got. All right, so everything you see here retails $59.21. Our sales tax was 34 cents. Getting back $18.98 from Aisles, $14.88 from My Points, $14.58 from Ibotta. Social Nature is $8.98. Proper Good, the rebate for that is $4.98. And then Walmart was $2.30. So getting back a total of $64.70 makes everything you see here free plus $5.49. Again, it's not bad. I can't complain. Other than that, if you make it to the end, thank you so much. Our emoji for today. Jojo, what was our emoji again? Jojo? I think it was a can. A soda can. A soda can. So if you get to the end, a soda can. Another thing I'm asking y'all. Look, deals have been slow. So what have you been doing to occupy all this free time? I have been bless you, bug. I have been decluttering. I've been putting stuff out in front of the house because I used to take stuff to Goodwill, but Goodwill is overpriced, right? And I just feel better if I'm giving it to somebody that could actually use it rather than giving it to some people that's going to sell it. So I put stuff in front of the house, like usually the night before. By the time I get up in the morning and take Josiah to school, it's gone. And whatever's not gone, then I'll donate. And so, yeah, we've been decluttering over here, the closet, everything. So that's what we're doing with all this free time since the baits ain't baiting. And so in the comments, what are you doing with your free time? Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.